Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with day 16 of the November Junk Journal Challenge. So, we're going to use this holiday cookie and cakes magazine to, oh, that's something nice to open up to, right? So we're going to take out random pages. I want this cookie one for one. Then we're going to look for some recipes. Let me see. We're going to take this one since the full recipe is on it. This one. I know. This one. And these pages are gonna go with the other pages I made in video 50 on day 15. So, ooh. Well, I don't want to do that one just yet. I might use it. Simply cookies. Some specialty cookies. Ooh, powdered ones. I might want to make those. These, maybe not. So we're going to take that. Layered and bunts. Ooh, nice cakes. Nice cakes. We're going to do this one. As soon as I can do that. And get this one. Quick breads and loaves. Well, morning crumb cake. We're gonna get this one and a few more cupcakes. Hello. Oh, marshmallow snowman. I'll get this one here. And a few more. And then we're going to stop. Oh, I like this page. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right off the bat. Let's get this one. That's one. May want to make those. Get this one. One more. Let's go all the way to the back. Oh, hello. Now we're gonna get this one. Okay, so that's that for that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take all of these, and as we did the other pages, we're just going to fold them over. Like so. And I'm going to use my bone folder because my finger tends to burn whenever I Ooh, y'all heard that? Big old thunderstorm. We having thunderstorms tonight, guys. So, yep. When y'all see this, the thunderstorm will be done and gone. It's gonna be done and gone. So if y'all are playing along with me and Mrs. Gigi, when y'all make y'all junk journals, y'all can put it either in my group, which is Vanessa Angel Rose Crafters United to Craft on Facebook, or Mrs. Gigi's group, and everything is linked down below in the description box on my Linktree link down below. Okay, it'll be fun. It's fun. I'm having fun for my first time making a junk journal. So we're gonna fold all of these. Okay, keep going. We got a few more to go. We're gonna burnish these down. Put them there. Ooh, it's raining. And when they say it's raining, I mean it's pouring. Is it raining now?
Yeah.
Whenever I'm done, I got a few more to record. Yes. As y'all can hear in the background, y'all hear my grandson. Okay. We got these all done. Okay. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. I just lost my train of thought. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe by hitting that red button down below and subscribing, and also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. So please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.